Hello and welcome to Alpha Efficiency presentation of Figma to WordPress transfer. We assume that you want to transfer your Figma files into an enterprise level WordPress solution that your company would be proud of. So in order to best introduce the technical capabilities of my company, I want to show you the work that we've done so far. Granted, we've done both design and coding work for this particular project. So I want you to pay attention. There's a slight discrepancy over here and I need to explain it. The designers included a lot of animations that upon us moving into the live website caused a little bit of discrepancy on the site performance. So the background effect had to be nullified, but it's 99% similarity between the original Figma file. The compromise made was enabled for the sheer desire to achieve the peak performance of the website and achieving first page Google rankings. So we'll showcase that now. For this part of the presentation, I'm using PageSpeed Insights, which is Google's official tool. And over here, we're passing Core Web Vitals both on mobile and on desktop. The largest contentful paint is 1.8 seconds, less than 2 seconds on a desktop for the full rendering of the website. And on the mobile, it's 2 seconds versus 1.8 seconds on a desktop. So I hope you enjoyed this short presentation. If you need further help and you want to achieve peak performance for your own website, fill out a form below, send us your Figma files, and we will send you the quote within 24 to 48 hours. It was a pleasure holding your attention for these 2.5 minutes. I look forward seeing you as our next client and our next success story. Have a great rest of your day.